Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm going to show you today how to make a slip stitch, which is very useful if you're a knitter or a crocheter, and this will basically start you off with casting on if you're knitting or just basically starting to crochet. This is the short end of the yarn. I'm going to hold this in my right hand and I'm going to take my left hand and hold the long yarn, the working yarn as well. And then I move the short end of the yarn over my two fingers there near the tips and two fingers there near the knuckles. I then pick up my needle, I go underneath the loop near the tips, underneath over the loop near the knuckles, and I pull that second loop through. There you go, that's your first stitch on the needle. Well, thank you for joining me. I hope that was helpful. If you would like to subscribe, then please do. If you liked this video, please tick the like button, and I will hopefully see you again for more videos here on YouTube. If you would like to see more videos, then go across to my website, knitwithhannah.co.uk. You will find me also on Instagram and Facebook at Knit with Hannah. Well, thank you for joining me. Happy knitting!